that drones don't replace surveyors? Wow, is this really the 100th episode? I feel like we just started this journey of drone discovery. If you are a new or long-time listener, I'm so grateful you are here. Now let's dive into this week's topic. The turf war of drone operator versus surveyor has been thrust into the light in the form of new legal battles. The North Carolina Board of Examiners for Engineers and Surveyors are seeking to prosecute any drone pilot that engages in, quote, mapping, surveying, and photogrammetry, stating accuracy, providing location and dimension data, and producing orthomosaic maps, quantities, and topographic information. Okay, that was a lot. As a result, many drone pilots in the state have abandoned drone mapping altogether. I'm glad that this topic is coming to a head. This is an opportunity for both sides to work together to redefine the practice of surveying to include and encourage the use of drones. I understand that surveyors are concerned that drones are disrupting their livelihood, and further acknowledge that drone pilots armed with a Best Buy drone and a Part 107 shouldn't be practicing surveying without a license. This is an opportunity to dive deeper into how these two closely related professions can make both practices better. When drone operators and surveyors work together, everyone wins. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Find me on LinkedIn, Instagram, Clubhouse, or Twitter. I love hearing from listeners. I'm planning out the next 100 episodes. If there is something you would like to know about drones, the future of the drone industry, drone innovators, cool applications, or drones for good, reach out to my website, www.doyouknowdrones.com. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great week.